Today we cook pasta with spinach, bacon and onion and mozzarella. It's a very simple recipe. We do the spinach, then we start cooking the onion and bacon. We do first oil. Okay, we start cutting the onion and fry. We put a pinch of salt. Now we proceed to cut the bacon in small cubes. While the onion is cooking, we add the bacon. We start boiling the water. Once the water will boil, we add pasta. Now, for mix better mozzarella with the pasta, we grate with the big holes. We let cook for 5-10 minutes, depend on your fire setting, until the onion and bacon are well cooked, and then we switch off and we wait until the pasta will be ready. The water boil, we put the pasta and we put salt as you decide. Once the pasta is ready, I take off fire and I drain. Put back the pot. I add spinach as much you like. I drop the bacon and onion already fried before. Finally, I add the mozzarella I grated earlier and I start mixing all together. The mozzarella will slightly melt and mix with the pasta. Have a nice pasta with spinach, mozzarella, bacon and onion. Enjoy your meal.